on?
I'm here with Charles Letizia, who's the CPO of Cable and Wireless Communication. Charles, how can procurement deliver value and innovation in your business in the short term?
That's a very good question. In the short term, I think we're looking at really excelling and performing in our core competence, which is basically managing cost. In particular, in this continuing to ride this downturn environment, I think is quite critical that we do this right. And also in starting to extract from our key suppliers also contributions in terms of our top line and how they can help us improve our revenue and generate more business for us. I think that's basically the two areas where we're focusing right now. Improving our cost contribution and also working with our key suppliers for them to contribute in extracting and generating value for us more in the for our business.
And how important is green sourcing and sustainability to your corporate agenda at the minute?
Green sourcing is important. We're taking a very pragmatic approach, project by project, where it really makes sense. I'll give you an example. We're working in a power consumption optimization project in our business in the Maldives, where we're actually measuring our power utilization across our business and trying to see where we can optimize. I mean, things where it makes sense from a sustainability perspective, but also financially, I think those are priority right now, and we're focusing on those particular projects.
Okay. And what do you see as the future of procurement role in cable and wireless in the next 2 to 3 years?
2 to 3 years. Well, I think, going back to your first question, I think there's going to be a continued focus on cost. I think it's very important that we learn the discipline that probably in many industries we gain in the downturn environment, and we continue to do that going forward. That's very important. And I think also harnessing the innovation that is happening in our supplier base is very, very important. And I think procurement can be a catalyst to manage that, to try to bring new products and services that are being generated within our supplier base and taking it closer to our markets. I think that's going to be the next challenge for procurement.
Okay, it's very interesting. I mean, we're here at ProcureCon CPO Roundtables. What have you got from today's talks and discussions?
Well, a few interesting things. I think the chat on sustainability was very, very good. I got a couple of very good ideas of that conversation around market intelligence and some of the things that are happening, focusing on the sort of market intelligence that we need in procurement to drive some of our main categories. I think that was actually quite interesting as well. And some of the stuff that CIPS is doing to drive certification in procurement are also something that we can take advantage of as well. So it was overall a very good session. I appreciate being here.
That's great. Well, thanks very much for talking.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Charles.
Sure.